screwed that down. Oops. Okay, no, I was just making sure. Okay, now this is going to be hard to get out here. You know what we should do? We should drain it first.
Yeah.
Wait, you know, maybe we don't have to drain it.
I just hope we don't have another spill.
Oh, there, look at that. That's how you do it. See how rusty that pulley is? That is a brand new pulley and it's already rusted. That's why I need to take that thing off and paint it. For some reason. Yeah, we should just do it like this. Just put a seat on here. And like, look at that, I can't even.
Wait, Michael, Parker, do that again.
Okay, so I have no idea how that happened. I have this all the time. I just hurt myself and I have no idea how it happened.
And of course, it had to be on my middle finger. And of course, it had to be on his middle finger.
Yay. Just okay, this battery on here. This thing doesn't hold the charge, so we have to get a new one. Repainted this once. Oh, it's dirty again. Okay. Gotta be taking this wiring off. A new engine is gonna go on anyway. I'm not gonna have this 20 or Briggs V-twin on here. Oh no, I don't want to lose that. Think that's funny? This took me a while to do this wiring. By the way, I got this circuit from Fearless Front. Awesome circuit. It works great.
You did.
What?
You did?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know.
Dude, your head's in the way. Fearless Front, he must have.
It's like being in a NASCAR. All those are too small.
NASCAR right here.
Whoa. Whoa. This whole thing should just come right out here. Wow. I've never had this thing this far apart. Okay, so I think if you just pull this back. Pull this back. Oh wait, we got a ground wire. When you take off the ground wire. And we're live. Oh, again? Wait. Oh, that attaches the solenoid on there. Oh, it's off there. Put that back on. There. Gonna have to put that up. Move the solenoid up underwater. Don't want to hurt the wiring. Oh, wait, it's still wiring to the solenoid. Duh. It's in the way. Oh, that's not going to come through there. Maybe we can... Oh, the dipstick. Wait, I need we need to container. Okay, stop trying to get it off. Ready? Bring it this way. Now it should come off. Ah, we still got a wire we gotta take off here.
The big red one?
Connector. No. This is a connector. It should come right off. Bend that back. Bend that. There. Now what the heck is the connector? Nothing. Ah, it is connected with a zip tie. Why did I put that zip tie on? Yes.
Pop the steering wheel.
Can I videotape this? Oh, come on. Get it back on there.
I'm just having you recording the whole time. Oh.
Put a bushing or something in there. It's gonna go like this. Actually, if I grind out one of these slots, then one of these bolts will fit down into that slot. Yeah. Okay, done. Okay, stop. Ah, come on. Oh, washer. There we go.